We did our experiential learning project on the Bendy Johnson Educational Center. This is our table of contents. The company was established in 2018, and its mission is to build community in Natchitoches and give access to social and economic success to all its residents. Claire Primus founded it in honor of her uncle, Bendy Johnson. Johnson was a successful business person, and he loved his community and gave back to it. The primary goal is to empower those not in school or working to reach their full potential. There are 5 main parts of the Bendy Johnson Center. The first one is the LWD program, which gives students opportunities to gain skills and work experience to help with regular employment. The Legacy Cafe is a hands-on training environment for the students, and they cook and serve healthy Louisiana cuisine. The Legacy Garden helps students learn to grow, harvest, and process their food that they prepare. It has an outdoor classroom with workshops and classes, and there's 13 beds that produce the food. The Legacy Corner Store is inside the cafe, and it offers accessible, healthy, and affordable options. And it is also a nonprofit organization, so it relies heavily on donations to operate successfully.
Company analysis. The professional team includes Claire Primus, who is the president and founder, Joanna Cooper, who is the human resource director, Grant coordinator Vista helps develop solutions and delivers. The bookkeeper records and maintains the financial transactions. There are no external suppliers. Primary customers include students, which consist of 58.4% Black people, 35% whites, and 3.5% Hispanics. The median age range is 26 years old, and the company ensures special event announcements that reach the target customer audience through Facebook and Instagram.
The 4 main problems our team assessed is the lack of social media presence, updated marketing and advertisement initiatives, and in order to increase marketing advertisements to give the BDJ Center the exposure they need to grow, we need to intertwine various parts of the center in order to bring in more donations and customers to keep up with the center and keep it running.
Proposed solutions: 1. Increase marketing and advertisements to give more exposure. 2. Intertwine all projects better to make each more efficient. 3. Increase social media presence.
Okay, so the rationales for solutions will include increased marketing and advertisements, which will be creating a web design, print website on all collateral, strategically placing billboards throughout the parish, throughout the state of Louisiana to pull in traffic, search engine optimization, intertwine all projects, which we will train and educate one person to be a leader of all projects, create procedural pamphlets to hand out. Another item will be increased social media presence. This will be created with images and videos to be curated and relevant to services offered. And a minimum of 9% is the goal for follow count with 30 days of updated social media content.
Our implementation plan consists of creating a consulting group for the different initiative departments, create a social media schedule that allows multiple posting, update the cafe's menu, create a catering business, and purchase a food truck. The food truck will allow the catering business to have a vehicle, and it will also allow fundraisers for the cafe and allow the cafe to have events on NSU campus and different local events in Natchitoches. We will fundraise for the remodel cafe. We will fundraise for the food truck. We will get involved with more NSU activities. There will be local advertising, such as brochures, menus, and flyers around downtown shops. We will get involved in the Christmas festival, as well as the grand reopening after the cafe has been fully remodeled.
Our full recommendation, because it would go against the company's core values and mission statement to move its location to a higher visibility area. Our only option is to drive traffic to their current place of business. So we seek to increase the company's exposure through advertising and social media first and foremost. So the first thing we need is a public relations team, which is a small member of current employees, and they would be tasked with posting. Probably the best thing would be daily. All members and supervisors should approve those posts beforehand, and they should establish a social media policy. And we've included a list of websites and in the appendix to help get them started with that. So part of that social media would be Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. They already have a Facebook and Instagram account, but they don't have a Twitter account. So we really do encourage them to start one of those. And they should include information about lunch specials, highlighted menu items, the staff and gardening program, and have lots of photos and interactive opportunities. The same goes with SMS messaging. It would be really an interesting and fun thing to do, to add that. In bulk SMS messaging these days is a pretty easy thing to get into. We encourage them to increase their web presence with frequently updated content. They do have a nice website that's fairly robust, but they don't have very much information that comes in there on a frequent basis. It needs to be updated, probably in a blog-like fashion, and is at least once a week. They should pursue search engine optimization vigorously, as that's what's going to get them on the map as far as the web concerns, especially Google. So the next part would be about flyers and cards on our next screen. We talked about doing some flyers that need to be printed regularly and scattered around town. Usually if you talk to business owners, they'll let you put things in their windows and next to cash registers. They should use brightly colored paper that coordinates with their logo scheme, and business cards that are printed front and back with as much information as you can cram on there, especially in how to get to their location.
The promotions includes weekly drawing for free lunch or dessert item to promote social media traffic, research and test cost-effective ways to find the most exciting promotion solutions.
We can work with public relations committee networks with local radio hosts and updating them on exciting developments. When it comes to the signage, we can start with the MLK parking lot by adding new signage at the parking lot entrance, as the existing sign is small and in disrepair, and a larger, more colorful sign would be ideal. Some other signage opportunities, for example, are the Legacy Cafe from the University Parkway, which indicates turn down MLK Drive, and also the Legacy Cafe sign from Jefferson Street, indicating a turn down amulet towards MLK Drive. Lastly, for the billboards, the local billboard businesses may be more affordable and should be examined for potential to boost the BDJ Center's name.
Solution impact. All projects will be on track. Resources will be assigned appropriately to minimize errors. Increased marketing will help business reach highest potential. Increased sales and product awareness. Increased workforce readiness tools will help prepare people. Attract a more skilled and diverse workforce. Better working environment. Positively impact staff productivity, retention, motivation, and commitment. Social media presence. Build strong relationships with customers. Respond to concerns more efficiently.
So next is our appendix, which goes over an updated Legacy Cafe menu, the BDJ Educational Center, the outside of the Legacy Cafe, and an updated Legacy Cafe logo. Also for the appendix is the grant coordinator, Shannon Tucker, the Natchitoches radio stations, half of our solutions contract, and the street corners for future directional signage. These are the references used in our project. And thank you for joining us today.